Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you are a user of Malwarebytes anti-malware, you might have run into a problem going on Google domains like google.com, doing search, even YouTube. It seems that a bad update prevented the browsers from actually going to the Google domain websites that were flagged as malicious by mistake. And of course, it created a lot of people that started going crazy on the web. So of course, a lot of people turned off the web browsing check for the Malwarebytes anti-malware software. And if you are getting flagged, if you're getting a lot of malicious website and malicious code errors, and that the websites are inaccessible because of being bad or being ridden with malware, Malwarebytes says they're rolling out a fix that should reach your software soon. It quickly rose into a lot of people going crazy. Malwarebytes is quite popular, and it, of course, made a mistake here. They say that a filtering component within the browser itself, not the browser itself, but the software itself, was actually giving false positives for flagging websites like google.com and so on. So they have modified and did some changes so that it actually fixes the problem. So if you did see that Google or YouTube or any Google domain was flagged as malicious, if you're using Malwarebytes was the problem. Go to your Malwarebytes software and make sure that it checks for update to update it immediately. It should fix the problem. And if not, you can, of course, temporarily just deactivate the web component where it actually will verify all the websites that you visit and so on, so that it's okay temporarily. But a fix is already being pushed out. Malwarebytes, fortunately, picked up quite quickly on that with that mistake that happened today, September 21st, 2022. So make sure you update to the latest signatures and version of Malwarebytes to fix this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.